Hello traders, Robert from Parallax here with a quick FX market update. So for next week, November 5th through the 10th, I think our focus should be on the US dollar pairs, and I'll tell you why. So in front of me I have a chart of the DXY, the US dollar index. If you are unfamiliar with this chart, essentially it is a weighted average of some of the biggest USD pairs. It's a great way to get a quick snapshot of what the US dollar is doing. So you can see I have my preferred wave count on my chart here. If you don't know what that means, no worries. Here at Parallax, we use all different types of analysis styles, both technical and fundamental, but our favorite is called Elliott Wave. I won't go too much into detail about what exactly Elliott Wave is in this video. We have a ton of other great content on the channel, so please check those out if you are curious about Elliott Wave. But for those of you that are a bit familiar with Elliott Wave, you'll see my wave count here. 5-wave move down to complete wave 1 of higher degree, and then nice developing flat pattern. We made it to that 50% retracement, or just shy. And overall the pattern looks complete. So now, zooming in a bit to the more recent term price action, it looks like we may have completed a wave 1, 2, and we're expecting smaller degree wave 3 to continue to the downside. And what we can do is we can confirm that bias with our individual pairs just to see how it might measure up. So looking at Aussie dollar, I think the outlook here is confirmed. We're expecting dollar weakness on our dollar index chart. That would imply a move up here in the Aussie dollar pair. And we can see a nice A, flat B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a nice ending diagonal to end 5 of C here. And we can see that's combined with a lot of great RSI and MACD momentum divergence. So fair to say that Aussie confirms that dollar weakness bias that the DXY chart was showing us. Same with Kiwi. Nice sharp move up. Kind of a choppier correction. A WXY perhaps, but still a nice strong move up from the lows. We can actually move our invalidation level up to the extreme of wave Y. Euro often looks like an inverse image of the DXY. And we can see the same idea here. Impulse wave up, ABC flat, so we can expect a nice move up as well in Euro. Pound, I'll be honest, I don't have a great count I enjoy for pound, so I'm letting that one stay for now, not on my immediate watch list, because it just doesn't feel as clear to me as some of the other dollar pairs. US dollar, Canadian dollar, I believe also supports our weak dollar bias. I think we could have a nice leading diagonal for a wave 1 out of the ABC correction here. So that would imply a corrective move, ideally back to the extreme of wave 2 of the diagonal here. That would also coincide nicely with a 61.8% retracement of the move. So a bit more downside in dollar CAD makes sense as well. Dollar Swiss is also not on my immediate watch list because I believe it's still trapped in a multi-year correction. Now that doesn't necessarily mean we can't trade it until this high time frame triangle is completed. But at the moment, on the high time frame, more medium time frame, even lower time frame, it's not as clear as some other charts. I think we can find better trades. Dollar yen, I think everybody has been waiting for dollar yen to make a move for quite some time now, so I'm still waiting. As you can see, my wave count here, my invalidation level is this high. Back in October of last year, we came very close to invalidating, but still we remain trading in a very choppy way in this channel, so I'm waiting for the market to come to me for dollar yen. Now, not too much in terms of crosses that I like for this week. I did find one interesting pattern. If you are familiar with Elliott and know what a triangle is, then you'll immediately recognize this. I think this counts very well. We have a nice corrective move for all of our subwaves. It looks like this could be a double. W, X, Y, X, E, maybe even a triple correction there. A, B, C, A, B, C. So all in all, I think this counts very well, as long as price remains above our invalidation level of, looks like about 163.66 or so. Then I would be very interested in one more upside move here. So I'm keeping an eye on that. And as far as news for the coming week, not a whole lot. Last week was certainly the news-heavy week. So keep an eye on any Aussie positions. It looks like on Monday evening, Pacific Standard Time, it looks like the Australian Bank will make a bank statement, a rate statement. But other than that, not a whole lot. Chinese CPI may shake up some Aussie trades as well. But other than that, I don't see anything too intense on the news schedule. So I think that is it for the coming week. Definitely stay tuned. We will be doing these FX market updates every week, posting them on Sunday morning or afternoon Pacific Standard Time. And hope to see you in the next one. All right, happy trading, guys.